What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use the line lock feature in your new Mustang. So first we're going to start at the vehicle. We're going to navigate to the track apps section. Go on down to line lock. Hold OK to initialize. Pressing the brake, hold the pressure, and then press OK. And then you can do your burnout. You have 15 seconds, and if you want to quit the line lock early, then you can press OK. Now there are a couple ways that you can actually mess up while doing line lock on these cars, since they're a little bit tricky. So we're going to go ahead and initialize it. I'm going to show you one of the ways. So if your e-brake is up, see the e-brake's up, and you press on the brake, okay, pressing the clutch and then press OK, it'll say line lock not available because the e-brake was up. Put the e-brake down, go back to line lock, engage the brake, clutch, okay, and it's on. Now line lock will also not be able to activate if you are on a hill. So as you can see, I'm going to release off the brake and my car is rolling backwards a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and try to activate this. Pressing the brake, clutch, okay, and line lock not available. Alright, so I'm going to go over this just one last time, guys. So first, make sure that your e-brake is down and that you are in a level area with no crowds around you. Alright, so we're going to go on down here to line lock. You're going to press OK. Press OK to initialize as well. Press down the brake and hold the brake pressure while you're pressing in the clutch as well. Press OK and you'll hear this sound. Alright, so then you have 15 seconds to do your burnout. Once you're done doing your burnout, or the 15 seconds has gone up, it'll hit OK and it'll release. And you can finish your rolling burnout. Just to make everything super clear, you do not have to press in the clutch after you press down the brake and it says to engage, press OK to begin. As you can see, clutch is not pressed in and it'll still activate. Now if you would like to, which is what I personally do, because whenever you're at the drag strip, you know, you just want to save as much time as possible while doing your burnout. So you're pressing the brake, and then I go ahead and press in the clutch. So right after I hit OK, I can go ahead and put the thing in gear. Alright, so I hope this video helps some of you out. I know that the line lock can sometimes be a little bit finicky, but just practice it before you actually are going to the drag strip and everything will end up just fine. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.